Okay, now you'll see that we have our account showing here that we just set up, and if you have multiple accounts, there's a drop-down list. So all you got to do now is click Login, and then you can put your password in here. Now if you click the Save Password button, let's go back here. If you click the Save Password button over here, remember password, then it will be able to skip that step every time because you've told it to remember it. But in this case I didn't do that, so we'll do login. I'll key in my password. Okay, and now it's logging us in. Retrieving the files. Okay, and I have nothing in there. Okay, now on this side, this is your computer, so what you can do here is you can just navigate as you normally would. So we can click Browse, and then a little window comes up, and then we can go from here to wherever it is we want to go. So say we want to go to Public Pictures, and then we can pick something out of here. Okay, and then here are the files in the folder. So what we can do now is just pick the files we want, hold down the Control key to pick multiples, and just do that. Click the arrow key, and this is how you move things back and forth. So you can move them from one side to the other, just like that. You can see the queue down here as it processes them and moves them across. Okay, as you can see, these files are now uploaded. Now, you can also do stuff within here. You can make new folders. Okay, just right click here, and we can do a create directory, and then we can create multiple directories within here to store our files. So we could say docs, for instance, or whatever you want. Doesn't matter. You want to store some documents in there, you might want to create a folder called docs, and then you can double click there, and you can upload your docs in there. And then you can navigate, of course, back and forth just by using this. This is pretty standard symbols. You should recognize those. Okay, here's your delete. That'll delete it for you. Over here, you can refresh to see if any changes are in there. And then this is your create directory, which I did as a right click as well. You can do it either way. Okay, so that shows you how you can use Gspace and your Gmail account to create some additional free web space.